Good day, ladies and gents! Alright, today ay mag-istibis na naman tayo sa ating Corolla 9th. Welcome back! At sa episode na ito ay ating ayusin ang mga aircon vents na maluwag, kagaya nito. Yan. This one. And that one. So if you're an owner of Corolla 9th generation, this is a common issue, especially in countries that are hot. Alright, syempre sa kaganon mo, eh talagang luluwag yan. This car is already 19 years old based on the registration, so marami nang lumalabas imperfection sa kanyang trim. Okay, so let's start from the center. This one is can easily be removed. You just pull it out. Even my one hand can do it while the other one is having a video. See? Okay, so I already removed the center aircon vent, and that's what's left. Okay, up next is this thing. I can also remove that using my nails. Just pry it from the side and force it out like that. There it goes. Just pull it out now, slowly from the bottom. There you go. Yeah, we have removed the right air vent. Now let's go to the left. All we have to do is to pry this side. This one, so you can see it's only my finger, but if you find this too hard to do, if you find this one hard to do, you can always use a prying tool, but me, I don't have to. So just jam your finger behind it and then pull it up. There you go. It just comes off like that. All right, okay, so natanggal na natin. What's next? Magdi-DIY na tayo. Okay, so here we are. Gonna address the issue of this air vents being loose. So all of them have the same problems. The air vents themselves are loose. Yes. So the first owner of the car tried to fix this DIY by stuffing something inside there. Here, but I already have removed it, so you can see it anymore. Okay, so I guess we should start from the small ones because these are the ones that are easier to fix. In this repair job, we will need some sort of prying tool like this. We'll also need the O-rings that I ordered online. Kung gusto nyo bumili nito, meron akong link na nilagay dyan sa description box. Okay, so the first thing that we should do in here is to remove this. Now, you can remove this by simply pulling this one up like that, but I don't recommend it. But instead, I'm gonna jam something here like that. There you go. Yes. Now this one is your. We are not going to do something about this, but to clean. Right, so I'm gonna clean these ones outside, and this part shall also be clean. It's dirty. Okay, so here are now the aircon vent parts being dried under the sun. Right, so I think the first one that we did is already dry, so we can now work on these things. Can now fix it. So let's get these. Okay, so here we are. Now let's fix this thing up. Now the way we fix it is that we are gonna, okay, so we're gonna put an O-ring there, here in this one, and also here. Okay, so the idea is we are going to make the clearance. The idea is we're gonna make the clearance on the either side of this vent so that the vent will not move. Okay, so I'm gonna make the clearance tighter by putting some O-rings. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the O-rings that we have bought. This is new. So as you can see, there are many sizes. It's better to buy this kind so that we have plenty of choice. Right? So let's try the smallest ones. This one. There you go. See, its size, what's the size of this thing? 4.5 by 2 millimeters. That's what I put it in. So let's try to put this one here. This one goes like this, I think. Just push it in, and it's better now. See, you can already control it and make it stay on the orientation that you want. Yeah, it's not moving so fast anymore. So I think that's good. Okay, so here's another one. Same issue. So this one is a little protruding. This one it's better, but the other side it has a very thin layer, so I don't think that we can put bushing on it. So let's get another 4 times 1 millimeter thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put another 4 times 1 millimeter rubber bushing on it, on the axle or the pivot thing. Okay, you see it? Okay, then I'm gonna put back again. So let's do something like this. Yeah, and then let's push it all together gently. Yeah, there it is. And just like the other one, look. See? Yeah. So just like the other one, it looks perfect. Okay, so we are now down here in our center air vent. Okay, so let's put the bushing in. There you go. The size is 4.5 times 2 millimeters. Yeah, can you see it? There it is. Now let's push this. As you can see, there's a notch here on the other side. You can just follow it there. This one will go, this hole here will go here, so we will just push this way. All right, okay, so let's do it. There you go. Push. There you go. Yeah, so it locks in place. Yeah, there you go. So it's not that pesky anymore. Let's put the bushing on the other side in here. See it? This is not the bushing or the O-ring, as you can see. Now after putting it in, just like the other one, we're gonna match the thing here. So this one will go right there. There it is. Okay, so we've successfully managed to return it to its okay. So it's now not easy to pivot this one. It works fine now. Okay, so what's next? Babalik lang natin to and then we're good to go. Alright, so let's start from the right. This one's the right side. Okay, so let's align the tank here. Put it slowly. Just push it down like that. There it is, man. There it is. Nice. Nice. Okay, next. Let's put the center. Yep. Let's put the. Okay, next. Let's put this one here. Okay. There it is. Okay, there it is. Right, the left side. What you have to do is to put it back right there, and then you push it. There it is. See, it's not working fine. It's not doing its own thing. It obeys your command. Yes. It's so hot. Let's turn the fan. There it is, guys. Nice. Very nice. And there you go. I hope that you have learned something from me today on how to DIY fix your aircon vents. Kindly please share the video to your Corolla Night owners and make them know that this channel exists. Alright? If you wanna watch more, you can visit the channel and go ahead to watch the videos and the playlist therein. All of the videos and playlists are only designed for Corolla 9th generation models 2001 to 2008, early 2008. Okay, so this has been Sir PJ. I invite you all to subscribe. Bye. See you soon.